friends, welcome back to my channel Arhan's Learning World. Today I am going to show you a science experiment, ice cube fishing experiment. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start the experiment. For this experiment, we need water, ice cubes, salt and a string. Let's start the experiment. First, take some water, pour in the plate. Next, take ice cubes, place in our water. Like this. Next, take a string, keep over the ice cubes. Now, sprinkle the salt on the ice and string evenly. Now, let's wait for a few seconds. Let's see. Wow! The string has picked up the ice cubes. This is called ice cube fishing experiment. Let's learn how it works. When we add salt on the ice cube, it melts a thin layer of ice. After a few seconds, water cools down and refreezes around the string. This is called ice cube fishing experiment. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.